Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn one of the Excel problem for long number. How can we solve the long number problem? If I type the 11 number, you can see it will display. If I type the 12 number, it is showing look like this. It will not display long number. How can we solve this problem? Just select all the cell where you want to type the long number and select here text. Now if I type here 12 number, it will display. If I type the credit card number, which are 16 digit, it will also display here. That's way you can solve the long number problem. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.